Hey guys, in this quick video I'm going to talk about the Apex trading and what are the things that you have to be aware of if you want to use it. Now for the Apex trading, and you have many things here, many kind of you can have 50k, 25k, you can use it, and on those you can have the profit goal, the trading threshold, also the daily drawdown, the scaling. Now to get funded you must first pass the evaluation. So you have the max loss drawdown limits, and there is no daily maximum drawdown limit on many plans. So the daily losses doesn't really automatically disqualify you. So you need to have at least 7 trading days to validate evaluation on most plans. And many accounts you can have for example 100% of the first 25k, then 90% of that. And payouts happen often, and you can also trade now also during holidays. Now the risk management. So Apex enforces a risk reward ratio. Each trader's stop loss must respect a maximum ratio relative to profit target. Some sources say 5:1. There is a consistent rule when requesting payout. One trading day must not represent more than a set percent of total profit. And some restrictions on trading style: high frequency trading, manipulative strategies, excessive flipping, aggressive risk taking, toxic order flow may be disallowed. Also, you must maintain balance or above profit goal until mean trading requirements met. Now, what are some things that I've read that are also important for you if you want to actually use the Apex trading? The first thing first is that I've read is that people deny the payouts, but would I don't know how they were trading. So then also the thread claims the firm asked for a video of proof of trades, then rejects them under the vague pretext. Some traders say the firm changes rules, consistent rules surprises new rules, and or hidden conditions that aren't really communicated. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much. Hope this video provided a little bit of value, and have a great day and goodbye.